In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vignette to an image in Canva. A vignette is a simple effect that gently darkens or lightens the edges of your photo, helping the viewer's eyes focus on the subject in the center. It's great for portraits, product shots, and thumbnails because it subtly guides attention without making the image look overly edited. Start by opening your project in Canva and locate the image you want to enhance. Click the image to select it. When it's selected, look to the top of the editor and click Edit. This opens the editing options for your image. Next, choose Adjust. You'll see a panel of sliders for different settings. Scroll all the way down until you find the option labeled Vignette. Now, it's time to dial in the look. The Vignette slider is very straightforward. Drag the slider to the left for a white vignette, which brightens the edges and creates an airy, clean feel. Drag the slider to the right for a black vignette, which darkens the edges for a moody, dramatic effect. Move the slider slowly and watch the preview on your canvas update in real time. Small adjustments go a long way, so aim for subtlety. You want the effect to support your subject, not overpower it. If your image has a lighter white background, a gentle white vignette can blend beautifully and keep the frame bright. For images with darker tones or a more cinematic style, a soft black vignette can add depth and polish. Think about the mood you're trying to convey and the colors already in your photo when choosing which direction to go. As you adjust, keep your eye on the corners of the image and the main subject. If the edges look too obvious or the center looks washed out, ease the slider back toward the middle. And don't worry if you go too far, because this is a non-destructive edit. You can always slide back to a more natural setting or use undo to revert changes. When you're happy with the balance, that's it. You've added a vignette to your image in Canva using just a few clicks. This quick touch can make your design look more intentional and professional, especially when you want to draw attention to a logo, a face, or a product. Practice with different photos to get a feel for how much vignette works best for your style, and you'll start to recognize the sweet spot right away.